In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a Figma file thumbnail in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Figma or just haven't used this feature before, after watching this you'll be able to customize your Figma file's appearance with ease. Let's dive right in. First off, we need to navigate to Figma, which is an excellent tool for collaborative interface design. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Figma website. If you're not already logged in, you'll see a login button. Click on that and proceed to enter your credentials. This step is crucial because it takes you to your Figma dashboard where all your projects reside. Once you're logged in, you should see an interface with several options. Look for the Home button, which is usually located on the left sidebar. Click on Home to view your projects. This will bring you to the main area where you can manage and access all your Figma files. Now that you're at the Home section, it's time to select the project for which you want to set or change the file thumbnail. Find your project and click on it to open. This will take you into the design workspace. At this point you should be looking at your project file, and we're moving on to the next set of actions within the design tab. In the design workspace you'll need to create or select a frame that will be designated as the thumbnail. A frame in Figma is essentially a container that holds your design elements. Locate the frame tool, usually found in the left hand toolbar, and click on it. Then draw a frame or select an existing one within your project that you'd like to use as a thumbnail. It's generally best to pick a frame that provides a good visual representation of your project, ideally something that catches the eye and highlights the main theme of your design. Once you've chosen the frame you want to use, right click on it. This will prompt a context menu to appear. Look through the options listed in this menu and search for one that says Set as Thumbnail. When you find it, click on it, and voila, that frame is now the thumbnail of your Figma file. And there you have it, you've successfully set a Figma file thumbnail. Customize your project files with relevant and attractive thumbnails to make them stand out. This is a handy way to keep your workspace visually organized and professional looking. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy designing!